kasante okusinze bayiwa yatambulire kuba kutwele na mbweine kukai kutambula buli wamu aliko banti ye kaichira bweine chaukana kuna cha 2021 nti bajaba kubaka ikuluno mwele ni mukati era nambona kaliro yakanti ate kaliro ya kolya yenda kubanga ebamwe ebirumira ikuluno kai bajaji
bachusa ba DR forms tiyali kulonda kuli in favor of General Museveni do districts bachusa DR form era chovobona tuli His Excellency we have very emphasizing Zimbe gali for vote protection. Yes.
So, banabeiramu anko oba mwetegeeko kubanga munonkuze kintu kyemu.
Ng'ekibiina tulinga omukyala eyafumbirwe ate nga yakyakira okuzaala nga n'abantu babona kw'abaana abahala n'abayisuka emyaka n'Abannayuganda gye baakatuha Abannayuganda tibasiru era ntako kwe bali Abannayuganda omulondere government NRM consistently for the 40 years kyeinamizia kuluno ndi kubona nti akalulu ke NRM kaninire kubanga tukyusiri approach kuluno buli ali kutuulirisa ngo liwe NRM neizuli right honorable speaker ya emphasizingire ebula timu yazwe Kampala kuiza okukube ikaliro e campaign okwabe bujiri okwabe na Mutumba. We are now district based. Ero chairman we task force in that district niyo chairman we NRM or district. So eizuli the second national vice chairperson ya meeting ira abantu asatu ku buli byalo omu district ye ikaliro era niba bamu ku bantu ababayiro kurale basune message basune obuvunanyizibwa
second
national vice chairperson speaker of parliament
ayembe ndoza ndi mwa Haji Kigongo
bwe yali second national vice chairperson
olaba first okay
emphasizingire ndi abantu asatu ku byalo nimwe muvunanyizibwa okukutambulya kalulu ka NRM ti president yenka n'aba flag bearers mukulu mwesigwa ekyenjawulo kye tuli nakyo n'ebibiina ebindi so tuli ne structures kubanga already we have 30 votes nga tukali na kutandika bundi we have 30 votes twabitira omukulonda kalulu ka youth most of the flag bearers kuba se tuli n'aba flag bearers the 99 people women council we have the 5 people PWDs we have the 5 people elderly we have the 5 people but twabo kuzoeyo bano tibalitegera approach ife yetulikozesa era baba kutandika baba ibiri
mulina 30 Uganda nana
every village in Uganda has 30
mu 2021 eriyo presidential candidate uyafuna below 30 kitegeeza ki
every village
nti abandi bali mu kintu nga tibakironda
anti kuluno nze ndi kwogera ku kino ekiriwo saawa dino era nendo okukobera nti muganda wange ebigambo byalikoba waliwo ebitali bituufu ife duzirale yetwabaire naye ebulumba we mobilized it in one day ebulumba wenawo Kyagulanyi oyakubachi oyakuba meeting oyakuba rally
bulumba jinale naye gundi yemwe mukubirawo
imwe mukola political science mukola research you research one day abantu bene batambwire titwabasombye nga bolikoba titwasumbire yo mere nga boliko ti abantu baida kuli amere titwaletere bana basomi so that is malicious era nze ndikobera nto president alikuiza kwa abiri
so abantu ababiri abo bona Israelire kumere
atemere emere nti bakoba nti NRM tuweta abantu kuli amere tuleta bwana buto tusomba busombe ezira gwe twasomba abantu bende ekibiina so nze nenda kobera maybe ebugweri tuli kuizayo eikaliro get this from me ebula DR form gye bakyusi ebula ki Museveni alina kalulu kwolo twabaire ku 56 esaji no twakuba mu 8 and above that one I want to assure you number 2
abaletere bebe kulu gwe batabanangako
mwena mulina abembi mulino saha mulina ki bona balina abembi atabembi bagwe dined so iwalobero mwembi okuhagira ekyo kubiri NRM government erina program editachinga ku muntu wa bulido PDM is a new program. Mu parliament tulina ba MPs abanup. Nobody objected PDM. Era ekibalo kiriko baki nti bwe tubanga tuli kujja Uganda tuenda tujimodernizing. We still have 39 people. Abantu 39% of all Ugandans abakali kujja mu economy okukolanga nga bali ne sente mu nsawo bakali mu subsistence bakola sente da kulya. Kyova PDM yaida nti abantu bafuna aka capital batandika okwekolera. So twaboinenge de sente ntono. That's why President Yakobye ne NRM government into one of the programs isoje tusubiranga nije jayamba omuntu wa bulijjo. We are going to triple this money. Omuluka gube gusunanga miliona 10 kulono jaba kusune milioni 3. Aba leaders babete basunanga kusente jino bona twaba bateramu msako yabo milioni 15 for the leaders. Chovobona ife we are still serving. Nga speaker we yaizire ikaliro. We have so many community groups edibairenga dikali kugemebwako. Twasolozerye community groups jona jaba kuba like 20 per sub county jona jibe supported. Now number 2 muganda wange Busoga University ya Maloko but is now a public university. Busoga University ya government.
Eriwa
Busoga University. Nba inoza ntosoma. Need lose budget. We appropriated money for Busoga University.
Andi omuntu wa bulido tali kwenda kulya budget alikwenda jibona ketandise.
University Iganga awali nga Busoga University bano bene je bali bayisewo bene je bali bayisewo
abanupu beta abakono wanupu nikondo bekilia abanupu baja beta university.
Okay, let me simplify. Wali o private university je beta Busoga University. Butifa abakulembeze n'abasoga ba demanding government ntuli kwenda public university. Eranga government ejja kuida ezimbe university. Butiba nabali in this private university eri ku itaka lya Church of Uganda. Bakoba nti no mu kifo kyo okuzimba awayaka just take over this university. Government yaikiriza. Ekyaluyisirya university yo kutandika bakobere nti bali na mabanza manja gali hansi 12 billion. Ainga 12 billion jabe gisobolo kwa bagitandika okuzimba structures ahandi. Kisa muri mwaba kuba kulembeza babayire mungaise tukali na kwa parliament ababayire nga niyo managing. So now a government naikiriria era nitukibita no parliament nti now Busoga University is a public university for Busoga. So muganda wange wakati zira public university, it is not true. We even appropriated the money balisa suleiba anderio university tambule. Number 2 ebyengudo ife duzi twafuna saka yakolebwa kisanja kino saka bridge andi kusaba muganda wange abite ku side obitira heikaliro yabede palisa yakwagirie bridge bagitaire ku 79 billion. Lwakubandi abantu abandi balozi anti ebintu ebitakolebwa mu district sigine je badosya government ya battery ikola. Tulina engudo eda central government eda Maramu ediri ikolebwako. Nze mwesi gwanda kuogerera ku Kaliro. Wifi Kaliro waliwo swamps edali nga tidivita nga donona engudo. Bakolere kibali ekyabe na waikoke okuzwe bulumba. Nibakole kibali kiba ekizwa ekyebuloma okuzwe bulumba okwaba enayirika nekyebupyana. Nibaiza bakole kibali ekiri nga wakabite kanamba tiko. All these are big swamps. But engudo da central government waire diri Maramu diri tambula. We have the 1 billion program. Era sebe wasoko kya manero C5. You're not going to use your own money to tundente jobe. A government eri kuhererya kahumbi kamu
babegated
every district
akahumbi bakabegated
bayani mukati butimperano. You cannot blame completely the government. Of course twenanga bakulembeze tubaire ne weaknesses
era kyo njaka nti mwaba kamutia maproduce committee
abavunanyizibwako okukahumbi ahati ano